Yo, what's up?
Hey everybody, what's going on? LDG here. Today's video is showing you how to use Photoshop to create a 3D spinning logo from a image file. Hope you enjoy. All right. Okay, we got our logo. Now, for those of you who don't know, Photoshop actually has a 3D tool. Now, if you don't have the best computer in the world, you might not be able to use this feature. It'll lag your computer. But if you have a decent machine, you can find this quite useful. All right. Save PNG, transparency. Okay, got our files. And then what we're going to do here, Extrude 3D. You'll know you're in 3D mode once you see the grid overlay. All right, so we're going to cast shadows. Yep. You can remove them if you want, or add them. All right, so here we go. We have our XYZ. We can control our Z by setting these variables as far as the depth of the 3D object we want to create. We set it small, see how it makes it thinner. You want to play with these settings until you get just what you're looking for. But since everything's centered, we're not really going to be messing with the X or Y, just the Z. Set the depth. Then we click on material. And this is where we get to set what the material will look like. Shiny, bumpy, reflective, flat, matte, glossy. All right, so we have that set. And now we're going to set for a timeline. This is a feature very underutilized in Photoshop. So in Photoshop, you can click timeline, create timeline, and this is where you can create the motion needed for spinning the logo. It'll create the frames. We want to enable our keyframes under 3D meshes. And then we want to set our tweens. Now this is going to be cool. So technically all you have to do is select where you want your keyframe to be and rotate it. The computer will make up for most of the work, as long as you're not trying to do anything too complicated where you got to manage many keyframes. But if we're doing a simple spin, we just set the time. So every 3 seconds, we want it to do a full spin. 3 more seconds, spin it again. Now I'm just going slow for anybody who's watching this later, so you don't, I don't go too fast for you. So we're spinning it again. And there you go. Created our 2 keyframes. The computer fills in the blanks. And we have our spinning logo. Next, we want to go ahead and take this timeline, save for web. And we'll be creating an animated GIF. Right now it's actually rendering every frame. You want to make sure you keep your transparency so it's see-through. This is the part where your computer is, there we go. And that's quick. Okay, enable transparency. Animation settings, you can see looping options. You can do it once, forever, or other. Now we just want this constantly moving, so we're just going to select forever, and it'll just animate. There's a little bit of code, so you can basically say if you wanted this frame this long, this frame that long, but or if just to play once, or just a continuously loop. Okay, there we go. All right, we should have our file. Go into OBS. Add a source. It's going to be an image file. Name it if you want. And we select a GIF. And there's no need for a green screen because it's transparent. Always pick transparency over a green screen. That way you don't have to limit your color selection. And as you can see, it looks quite 3D. Like it actually looks like it's popping in front of everything. And that's without a shadow. And we input it into the scene. As you can see, it looks great. And there you go. Thanks everybody. If hopefully you learned something. If you wish to know more, hit me up, hit the subscribe, and there'll be more coming. Thank you very much, everybody. Special thanks to the playlist for sponsoring this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Take care. LDG out.